Tired of fumbling lenses? Sigma 16 to 300 mm 18x zoom changes everything.
Ever felt like your camera gear is plotting against you? Wide shots too cramped, telephoto moments slipping away because you're buried in your bag swapping lenses? That frustration hits hard on a hike or family outing, right? It's like your creativity's chained to constant fiddling. Drop a comment if this chaos sounds all too familiar. Let's swap stories on ditching the hassle with one versatile Superzoom savior.
Picture this. Deadlines looming like storm clouds, stress spiking as you miss that perfect sunset silhouette because your kit lens taps out at 55 mm, leaving you burned out and buried in post-edits. The burnout's real when every adventure turns into a lens-juggling circus. But imagine reclaiming control with a single, all-in-one powerhouse. No extra chaos, just pure, seamless flow from ultra-wide landscapes to distant wildlife wonders. Enter the Sigma 16 to 300 mm f3.5 to 6.7 DC OS Contemporary for Canon RF, a super zoom beast that's basically your camera's new best friend, packing an insane 18.8 times range, from breath-stealing 16mm vistas to pin-sharp 300mm telephoto thrills, all on one lightweight body. Feel the rush as its OS2 stabilization gifts you 6 stops of shake-free magic at the wide end, dropping to a solid 4.5 at Tele, letting you hand-hold epic moonlit macros without a tripod's tyranny. Picture Sarah, the harried travel blogger, framing a sweeping canyon at dawn, then zooming instantly to snag a soaring eagle mid-flight. No lens swaps, just pure adrenaline-fueled flow. Its FLD and SLD glass elements crush chromatic aberrations, delivering crisp, vibrant contrasts that pop like fresh espresso on a foggy morning, while the HLA motor whispers autofocus precision for those did-I-nail-it, heart-pounding moments. And that 1 to 2.9 macro ratio? It's your ticket to intimate flower close-ups that whisper secrets of the wild. Here's one way the Sigma 16 to 300 mm saved the day for a busy pro on a rainy safari. Snapped a leopard stealthy stock at 300 mm without a wobble. Keep reading for the bonus trick that turns shaky handheld hell into silky smooth gold. Now lean in. This isn't just gear, it's your ticket to effortless efficiency, where focus sharpens like a laser and performance soars without the sweat. The Sigma 16 to 300 mm all-in-one versatility slashes setup time, freeing you to chase golden hour glows or nail family portraits with buttery bokeh, all while its dust splash resistant build laughs off drizzle like a cheeky sidekick. Why do thousands rave? A top travel photographer confessed, "This lens turned my 3-continent trek into a no-fuss feast, wide cathedrals to far-off foxes all in one grab-and-go wonder." An industry analyst nodded, "Sigma's Super Zoom nails the pragmatic sweet spot, value-packed convenience that outpaces pricier kids for real-world rebels." Even influencers geek out. A vlogger gushed, "Run-and-gun video? Its quiet HSM autofocus and OS stabilization make me feel invincible. No heavy bag required." Users echo it. One hobbyist parent beamed, "Cut my kid's first steps wide, then zoomed for that tear-jerking close-up. Pure magic without missing a beat." Sure, corners soften at extremes. Hey, physics gonna physics, but that trade-off? It's the controversial genius letting you prioritize adventure over pixel peep perfection. Feel the intuitive pull yet? That satisfying click of nailing the shot? Which feature would save your chaotic day? The macro whisper or telephoto reach? Comment below and spill your dream upgrade. We're all in this frame together.
Limited stock alert. Join the thousands who've leveled up their shots with Sigma 16 to 300mm game changer. From pros ditching lens bags to hobbyists framing life's unmissables, don't let another epic slip by. Secure yours today and feel the urgency of that first flawless zoom. Click now to unlock a secret stabilization tweak that makes 300mm handheld a breeze. Like whispering to your camera, "We've got this." Comment yes if you're ready to ditch the swaps. Don't just watch, grab the Sigma 16 to 300mm and transform your captures into unstoppable stories today.